Hey everyone, this is Cesar Pineda, your farmer's insurance agent. Thank you for having your policy with my agency. I wanted to today repay one of you who will be a lucky winner of a state-of-the-art Dashcam that we're raffling for everyone that gave us a Google review and refer people to us. So thank you all of you for, first of all, being our client, second of all, for believing in us enough to give us a review that you're willing to share with the public online. It has really helped us a lot. We are still at the very early stages of our infancy here. So of course, if you know anybody who's interested or needs any insurance, help with their homeowner's insurance, car insurance, or anything at all, please tell them to reach us at 203-803-2153. But without further ado, we're doing a quick live raffle for one lucky winner who's going to be winning the Dashcam. And as you can see, we came up with a weird thing over here to make sure that it is as fair as possible. I'm going to shake it very well without breaking it. And now the winner of our first quarterly raffle for the Dashcam is all right, Deborah Dufel. Thank you so much, Ms. Dufel. I am so happy to have you as a client. Deborah came in from a different agency. We were able to help her not only with her Connecticut properties and cars, but also New York. So thank you so much for your loyalty, Deborah. I am so happy to have you as a client, and hopefully you enjoy this state-of-the-art Dashcam that you can put in your car. Make sure you have it active at all times so that if anybody tries to give you any weird claims, you have all the proof you need. So thank you, and thank you everyone for participating. We're going to do this at least once a quarter, and everybody who's already given us a Google review is going to continue to be in the raffle, except for Deborah, of course, because she already won. But everyone else, look forward to these raffles. And again, any of your friends, any of your family members, feel free to send them our way. Again, our number is 203-803-2153. Have a great day, everyone. Happy Easter, and have a great weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.